Changing engine oil and transmission fluid at recommended intervals is crucial for ensuring engine longevity and performance. Regular maintenance checks can help prevent costly repairs that stem from neglect. Similarly, brake fluid is often overlooked, yet it is vital for effective braking. Regular replacement of brake fluid not only ensures safety but also avoids expensive repairs caused by moisture absorption and subsequent corrosion. In addition, coolant levels must be checked consistently to prevent engine overheating and ensure heater efficiency. Proper coolant maintenance is essential to avoid severe engine damage and the resulting costly repairs. Moreover, spark plugs play a significant role in engine performance by igniting the air-fuel mixture. Regular inspection of these components can prevent common issues such as poor acceleration and misfires, enhancing overall vehicle efficiency. Transitioning to air filters, they ensure proper airflow to the engine, which enhances both power and fuel economy. Conducting regular checks and timely replacements of dirty filters can substantially restore and improve engine performance. Equally important, the positive crankcase ventilation valve helps manage harmful gases and prevent engine pressure buildup. Regularly inspecting this valve is pivotal in avoiding engine issues and costly repairs down the line. Furthermore, resetting the maintenance required light is an essential skill for car owners. Mastering this process allows you to handle routine checks independently, minimizing reliance on professional services. On another note, avoiding overfilling your gas tank is crucial for maintaining vehicle health. This practice prevents damage to the vapor recovery system while also helping to sustain fuel efficiency. In the same vein, regular inspection of belts and hoses can save you from major engine failures. By identifying wear and tear early, you can avoid expensive repairs that may arise from neglect. Moreover, regularly bleeding the brakes enhances overall performance and ensures safety by removing degraded fluid. This simple yet critical maintenance task helps avoid costly repairs and preserves the effectiveness of the braking system. Additionally, maintaining the correct tire pressure is vital not only for safety but also for fuel efficiency. Regular checks and adjustments can significantly extend the lifespan of your tires and optimize vehicle performance. Conversely, fuel additives are often unnecessary for most drivers since modern gasoline already contains effective cleaning agents. Consistent maintenance practices prove to be more beneficial than relying on these additives. Using an onboard diagnostic scanner also empowers car owners by enabling them to diagnose issues independently. This tool can save money on mechanic visits and allows for a proactive approach to problem solving. In addition, maintaining clean battery terminals is essential to prevent electrical issues that could lead to a dead battery. A few minutes dedicated to this task can save you from hefty repairs and ensure your vehicle's reliability. Lastly, regularly checking and replacing your car's windshield wipers is crucial for maintaining visibility during adverse weather conditions. This simple maintenance task can significantly enhance your safety while driving.